like a legitimate cash offer for your house right now? Go to nancykowalik.com, click on the red button that says Get Cash Offers Now in the middle of the screen, and you will get offers within 20 minutes and up to 24 hours for your home. These real estate investment trust companies and investors are looking to purchase homes in South Jersey. Some of them, yes, are looking to steal them. If your home needs work, needs help, you're going to get less value for that home legitimately. If your home is tricked out, you spent money, and this house would sell at a beautiful price retail, you're going to get a fair retail price for that home, minus commission and minus a small convenience fee. Legit offers. You do not have to speak to an agent. You do not have to sell your home to any of these people. You can simply get that offer today. nancykowalik.com. Speak to nobody. What have you got to lose?